Make sure you watch the whole video so you can get the macros at the end for this low-carb pizza. Hi guys, I'm Stacy Silver and I'm the Indy Hybrid Trainer, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a low-carb pizza. This low-carb pizza only has 4 ingredients and it only takes 16 minutes to have a great macro-friendly pizza for your Friday night. If you'd like to see more fitness and nutrition tips from me, go ahead and comment below, like, subscribe, and share. Smash that like button.
You never had a chance like an abortion. You don't wanna play with me, this forfeit. Took it to a place that never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is howling up in Bollywood. Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky.
And that's it. It took 30 minutes total to prep and make it, and now you have a low-carb pizza for your Friday evening. Thanks so much for watching, and again, I'm the Indy Hybrid Trainer. Bye guys!
Why they sleeping, why they snooze on me?